excellence in precision tracking. The Yaskawa tracking robot effortlessly follows the welding path, ensuring a consistent weld for various application profiles. From lap to T-fillet and butt welds, it delivers unmatched performance. Watch as it performs a live weld on a T-fillet joint using real-time tracking. With continuous adjustments, it maintains optimal alignment for exceptional weld quality, even in dynamic scenarios. Adapting in real time, the robot swiftly responds to changes. Whether the part is moved or the path requires adjustment, the Yaskawa tracking robot ensures maximum efficiency. Seamlessly locating lap joints, it streamlines the welding process. Complex workpieces pose no challenge as the robot autonomously achieves precise weld placement, saving valuable time for operators. Integrating flawlessly with the Wenglor unit, the robot gains advanced sensing capabilities. Real-time feedback enables accurate tracking and adjustments, ensuring optimal weld quality. Keep an eye on the comprehensive performance view through the PC monitor and pendant screen. Synchronized with the robot's movements, the PC monitor provides real-time tracking updates, while the pendant screen offers intuitive control. The Yaskawa tracking robot revolutionizes precision welding with exceptional tracking, adaptability, lap joint search, and seamless integration. Experience unparalleled performance for consistent weld quality, efficient path adjustments, and reliable lap joint tracking. Thank you for joining us today as we witness the Yaskawa tracking robot transform the welding industry.